Let's explore the world of Docker and learn how to debug failed Docker builds. We'll focus on understanding common Dockerfile errors and how to solve them. Get ready to fix build failures with confidence. This is your guide to troubleshooting common Docker issues. Let's discuss the most common errors encountered during Docker builds. First, we have file not found errors, which occur when the copy or add commands cannot locate the specified source files. Next, we have package install failures, often due to missing dependencies or incorrect package manager usage. Then we have permission denied errors, caused by insufficient privileges to execute commands or access files. Lastly, we have network issues, which includes failed downloads, timeouts, or unreachable repositories. Let's examine the file not found error. A common mistake is shown in the following Dockerfile. Notice the copy command. If requirements.txt doesn't exist in the same directory as the Dockerfile, the build will fail. Also, if the source directory doesn't have a subdirectory named src, and you try to copy it to /app/src/, the copy command will fail. This error happens when the Docker build process cannot find the specified files or directories. To fix the file not found error, we must ensure all file paths are correct, and that the files exist in the specified locations, relative to the Dockerfile. This is how the Dockerfile should be properly written. Notice that the requirements.txt is copied to ./requirements.txt. Then the current directory, represented by the dot, is copied to the destination, also represented by a dot. This makes sure that all the files and folders in the source is copied correctly to the intended destination. Now let's look at package install failures. A common mistake is shown in the following Dockerfile. It begins with missing package updates. Failing to update the package list before installing can cause errors. Then, using the wrong package manager for the base operating system can cause issues. Lastly, missing essential build dependencies required for certain packages can lead to installation failures. To fix package install failures, adhere to the best practices demonstrated in the following Dockerfile. Update the package lists before installing packages using the apt-get update command. It installs necessary packages like Python 3, Python 3 pip, and Build Essential. Finally, clean up the apt list to reduce the image size using the command rmrf/var/lib/apt/list/**. Now let's consider the permission denied error. One common issue is when a script lacks execute permissions, leading to errors when executed. Another issue arises when trying to create a directory in a restricted location such as root, after switching to a non-root user. These commands will cause permission issues. To fix the permission denied error, we can implement proper permission management as shown in this Dockerfile. Ensure that scripts have execute permissions by using the chmod +x script.sh command before execution. Additionally, create directories within the user's home directory, such as /home/node/data, to avoid permission issues when running as a non-root user. Now let's explore network issues that can cause Docker build failures. First, connection timeouts occur when downloads fail due to slow or unstable networks. Next, repository access problems arise when the build process is unable to reach package repositories or registries. Then, corporate firewalls often block external connections. Finally, domain name system resolution failures can prevent the resolution of domain names or registry uniform resource locators. Let's look at solutions to network issues. You can add retry logic using the retry flags with curl and get commands. You can configure corporate package repositories by setting up internal mirrors. You can parameterize registry uniform resource locators for flexibility using build arguments. You can separate the download and runtime stages by using multi-stage builds, thereby resolving network issues. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.